Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make
transparent
text effect or layered video effect in Canva. So to make this effect you need to have Canva Pro account because without that the process will not be possible. So let's start with it. For this tutorial I am choosing YouTube thumbnail. Let's write here. So I have written YouTube thumbnail and let's click on it. I'll choose create blank here. To text, choose add a heading and here I will write layered, and for this the font will be bolder, BOULDER. So I will choose this one and I will make this bigger. Okay, this one is done. So next work is to duplicate it. Go to FX, choose on hollow. Okay, you can decrease the thickness or increase the thickness according to your requirement, but I am keeping it on 35 and just bring the layer to the same place. Okay, so now let's bring the video part. So here I will write magic ink mixing. Okay, so I will find these many videos and from here I will choose this video, which you can see is a Canva Pro account video. Without Canva Pro, as I said earlier, that without Canva Pro you cannot access this video. So I am bringing it in the main frame, making it bigger according to the requirement. According to the edges, I am just covering the edges and I will just bring it again. Okay, and this time I will again bring it to the edges, but there is a change. In this one I will just crop out the part. I will just keep from this text part and just beneath this text part. Other parts are not required here for this next effect. So for this you will click here, go to edit video and click on background remover. So as you can see the background is removed. Now I will click on the video part. As you can see the layered effect is still not coming, so what to do? So for that you have to go to this video, click on this video and click on layer, click on bring forward. Now again play this video. Now as you can see the effect is clearly visible. So as you can see it is ready here. So this is the layered video effect which is I was talking about, and you can easily design it in Canva. Hope you like this tutorial. For more tutorials don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day.